morning explorers. I thought I'd come to you from a new location today, and I hope you're outside enjoying it as well. Hope you're all well and enjoying the spring weather when we can get it. Get outside, keeps your spirits high. Housekeeping this morning. You know that we're all digital now, so when you do your work, that actually counts as your attendance. It's your responsibility to be checking your email every day. Please make sure you check in the morning, find the email from the teacher of that day, and complete the work during the course of the day and get it sent in. Of course, if you need a little extra time, just email the teacher if you're having trouble submitting something or just sharing devices or you need some help. Just let the teacher know what's going on so we're not worried about you, and we'll get it fixed for you. It's your responsibility to be doing that, just like going to class periods if we were in school. You wouldn't need any help to get to first period, second period, and third period, so just make sure you're showing up to the job every day, please. What you see now is a picture of School Tool and how we are recording your work starting now. The C, if you hover a mouse over it, will show you the word complete. That means we received your work. You'll start to see M's appear as well, and those will represent missing work. All of your teachers on the team are going to be doing the same thing, so it'll be consistent. So you'll just notice that there's an attribute instead of a grade. Please check that every week. I was impressed with your plot diagrams on the dinner party last week, and you correctly identified the man versus man conflicts being multiple conversations, man versus nature was that cobra, man versus society was the assumption that women have less self-control, which was proven false in the end, and man versus self was the hostess and the naturalist. You'll see now a couple of pictures of the most missed questions from the packet that was turned in, and I highlighted the notes just to show you a bit. Pay attention to how the events play off of each other in a story and how one leads to the next to really find the climax, rising, and falling action.
Okay, here's your tour of the week's folder. I'm in English in Schoology. I'll scroll down to the bottom. You see distance learning, week of April 6th. It just looks gray right now because it won't go live until tonight at midnight and it'll be available for you in the morning. So I'll click on that folder and here is your work for the week. The same welcome video that is going to your email will be here in case you want to see it again. Here's your checklist of what to do. It does include reading at the end as well. So if you're in 4th or 9th period reading, I'll say to read some of First Light, otherwise to choose something of your own. You have another try at Mad Gabs for Mr. Durham this week. The Daily Discovery, if you choose to participate in that, is New York Times, what's going on in this picture. So the Mad Gabs and Daily Discovery are optional, but they're there with comment posts for you guys to chat with each other and have a little fun and get some laughs. Greek Roots Galore. You will see that there are 2 this week. It's Luna and Path. You may have noticed, and a couple kids have asked me that there was only 1 last week, and now there's 2. The next time we do this, I'll put the whole second sheet on. I just wanted to be sure you understood the format before I put it in there, so if you did them on paper, you can just input them. Lastly, Thinking About Irony in Literature will take you to a Nearpod lesson to go through. As you click on this, you'll see it says here there's nothing to submit, but you are going to be asked to do some guided notes in your journal. And if you don't have your journal, it's okay. Just use a piece of paper. So you'll click the Nearpod link. If it's not live for you, just copy it and paste it up in your browser window and it will take you there. Back to distance learning. And the last thing is to go to the independent work choice folder and choose one of the 2 options. There is a short answer task for irony or a second Nearpod link that will include the draw it task just to label parts of irony in the story. Your choice, submit one of them. If you have any questions, just send me an email and I hope you guys will have a great day. Bye-bye.